Hello, today we're going to be touring 426th Avenue, unit number 2. This is a spacious one-bedroom apartment located in the Richmond district. Mailboxes are over here to the right. You walk into this nice lobby. This is a very clean building. We're going to walk up to the second floor. And here we are at unit number 2. This is a light-filled unit, nicely redone with laminate wood floors throughout. Big living room, large windows. You're located walking distance to many fantastic restaurants, coffee houses, shops. Here's looking out the window from the living room. There is heating in each of the rooms. Okay, and there's a front door to the right. Over here is the kitchen. You have a nice big kitchen with stove, oven, hood, refrigerator. There's plenty of room here for a little breakfast table. There is lots of cabinet and counter space as well. Nice and bright kitchen. And this is the view from the kitchen. Okay, spacious coat closet in the hallway. Nice big bathroom. You have a tub and shower combined. Medicine cabinet, lots of storage, towel bars, and a very clean unit and bathroom. Okay, here is the bedroom. This is a corner unit, so lots of windows in each of the rooms. There is gas heating, vents in every room. This room does fit a king-size bed. Nice modern building outside. And just blocks to many fantastic restaurants. Okay, so let's take a peek at this closet here. This is a sliding door, and you have a bar that goes all the way back. And there you go. Okay, if you are interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com, where you'll find photos and details about this apartment. Thanks so much. Have a great day.